this video, I'll show you how to install Visual Redemption graphics mod for Red Dead Redemption 2 on PC. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Alright, so if you're looking to make Red Dead Redemption 2 look even better, Visual Redemption is one of the most popular graphics mod available. Instead of completely changing the game's art style, it enhanced the existing visuals with improved lighting, weather, colors, ambient effects, and overall image quality. Take notes that Visual Redemption is designed for Red Dead Redemption 2 story mode. So avoid going to RDR online while this mod is installed. Alright, to start, let's download Visual Redemption. To download it, you can go to its official website, which is racemods.com, the creator of this mod. You can type in Visual Redemption or Race Mods on Google, and this website will appear at the top, or you can just click the link in the description of this video and it will bring you here. Once you're here, you want to go to the Red Dead Redemption section, and then you can see Visual Redemption. Just click view and there will be a download button, so just click on it. It'll prompt a download. Just save it somewhere in your PC. By default, it'll go to your downloads folder, and just hit save and the download will start. Alright, to install Visual Mod properly, we also need Lenny's mod loader. I also put the link in the description. Just click on that. Once you're here, you want to scroll down, and on the right you can click download this file right here, and you can download the latest one. If you have an older version of RDR, you can download for the old versions here, but I'll just download for the latest one, which is beta 11. So let's click download, start downloading. Like before, save it on PC and it'll start downloading. Now to put everything together, we also need Scribbook RDR2. I also put the link in the description. But now once you're here, you want to download the latest one, just click download here and it'll start downloading. Alright, once you finish downloading, you'll have all of the required files, the Visual Redemption, Lenny's mod loader, and also Scribbook V, all of them in a zip file. Now to start installing, you also need your Red Dead Redemption main directory. If you don't know where, you can go to these paths on the screen, which is the default location of the game. If you still cannot find it, you can locate it through your launcher. On Epic Games, you can go to library and then look for Red Dead Redemption 2. I don't have RDR2 on Epic Games, but just click the three dots on the right, go to manage, and click this folder icon to open the install location. In Steam, you can do the same. Go to library and then look for RDR2, right click on it, manage, and hit browse local files. If you're on Rockstar Games Launcher, you want to go to settings, and under my installed games on the left, select Red Dead Redemption, scroll down, and you'll have option to view installation folder. Now that you have your Red Dead Redemption 2 main directory, we can start installing. Let's start with Scribbook. So it's in a zip file. To open it, you can use WinRAR or 7-zip, but if you're on Windows 11, you can just right click on it and then select extract all, hit extract again. Now you'll have it in a folder. Let's extract all of them. Visual Redemption, right click, hit extract all, hit extract again. Lenny's mod loader, right click, extract all, and hit extract. I'll just delete this zip file, and let's start with Scribbook RDR2. Let's open up the folder. You want to go to the bin folder, and here what you need is Scribbook RDR2 and the input 8. You can also include the native trainer. Actually, I will just do that because you can change the time and weather to see how the graphic looks throughout the day. Select all of them, and then you're gonna put it into your RDR2 main directory. Just drag and drop them just like that, and that's done for the Scribbook. Now let's go back and we're gonna install the mod loader. Let's open up the folder. Here you'll have a lot of folders inside, but just focus on these two. You have mod loader and mod manager. Now let's start with mod loader. Here you just select everything and you're gonna put it into your Red Dead Redemption main directory just like that, and that's done. So let's go back and go with the mod manager. You can put it on your desktop. You can just open it up from here. Personally, I'll just put it into RDR2 main directory. It's like that. Now you can open up the mod manager folder on your RDR2 main directory. Look for mod manager UI.exe, and what you're gonna do is right click on it and you need to launch it as administrator. Now you don't have anything installed, but it's fine. I think if you put the mod manager folder outside of the main directory, you'll be asked to locate the game folder. So if that happened to you, just copy the path and you're good to go. Now you can minimize it and let's install Visual V. Let's open up the folder first. So let's go. Let's open up the folder again. Here you have main files and optional add-ons. You also have the install guide, but I'll just explain it in this video. Let's start with the main files. Open it up. Here you have Visual Redemption folder, and to install it, you need to put it inside this LML folder from the mod loader. Let's open it up, and you're just gonna drag and drop it just like that. So now you can go back to Lenny's mod loader and go to this view icon. Here you need to click rescan, and after you click that, Visual Redemption will appear in the list. Make sure it's enabled, and that's basically it. Visual Redemption is installed on your RDR2. Now let's go back again and open up the optional add-ons. Here you can install some of them. Currently there is 3 optionals that you can install. There's also Visual R for RedM, which I will not explain how to install here. So let's start with no widgeting. Open up the folder. Now to install it, you're gonna put it inside the Visual Redemption folder. So just drag and drop it, but I'm not gonna install this because I like how it looks. It's gonna be the same for vanilla app style. Yeah, everything is installed. Now you can launch RDR2. Once you've loaded into the game, spend a few minutes exploring different parts of the map to see the improvements.